Hello everybody and welcome back to Activity 4.1 Video Check-In, the final video check-in of the class, Mobile Device Deployment, Full Sail University Online. This is Josh Klug, your video voice. Alright, so again we're going to take another look, our final look, at Interest Point. This project has been quite a journey here, so let's just go ahead and take a look at what we got. Just like before, username, password. You can go ahead and log in. Success. We can log back out. It takes us back. We can sign up here. New username. Let's just say, let's see. Okay. Okay, and password will be okay. Now it says right here by clicking sign up, you agree to the terms of service, and this actually takes you to the terms of service. You can go through and read everything, blah blah blah, so on and so forth. Then we can go ahead and sign up. Thanks for registering. Now there were some comments that said that this was not working before, but it does. If you wait just 10 seconds like it says, it'll take you right back to the login. And success. Welcome back, P. We've now signed in. We can see stuff to see, and at least in Firefox it takes a moment. It's faster in Internet Explorer, it's faster in Chrome, but you see then it brings up your location. It does that by using your latitude and longitude of your browser. We have a contact form here where you can go ahead and fill in all the information here, whatever the name would be. P. Diddy's having a problem now. And then he can either choose either it's having problems or he has questions. So questions could be something like, why is this site so ugly? Alright, then we can go ahead and hit submit, or you can even call me. That's not my real phone number, so please don't try calling it. Submit. Thanks for your feedback. Your questions and concerns will be evaluated, and we will get back to you within the next 50 years. If you are logged in, you'll be taken back to your stuff page. If not, you'll be sent back to, well, back to index. I guess I have a typo in there. So basically, that's Interest Point. There's a lot of things on the pivotal that I was not able to get to tonight, such as the signaling content. I'm not sure really what content that would be. Subscribing to other users, style guides for user profiles. Basically all the user customization stuff I did not get to. Oh, that's okay. All the create your own stuff, create your user profile, all that I was not able to get to in time. With probably another, 3 days worth of work, 3-4 days, I could probably get it figured out. But at this point, probably not at this point. So let's go ahead and take a look at the code real quick. I'm not sure why my development environment is closed. Normally I'm just so on top of this. Here we go. Let's see, login form, sign up. Let's go ahead and see what it is we're supposed to be looking at here. If you go into the views, let's see. Yeah, sign up here. You can see that when it says submit sign up on the form, then it goes to the sign up. Either way is what it does is it goes and then redirects you to the thanks page, which contains thanks, which is just basically an HTML meta redirect. The request form for information, that would be under report. Now you can see here the form action just sends you through to the thank you page once you click the button. WAMP, as far as I understand, WAMP and MAMP do not allow for an actual email call through PHP, so is what I did, I just bypassed it. If you want to see what that actually is, if you go to form process here, you can see is what it does is it goes and it takes it requests the username, first name, last name, email, reason, and details, and then it has this generic, what I call the message proper, which actually sets up just a plain text email, inserts in the variables, and then we have our mail link right here, which of course indicates the email address, the title, the message itself, and who it's from, and then it will use PHP header call to send you back to thank you, which will then redirect you after 10 seconds either back to your stuff page or the other way around. So really that's about it. The show location was a really tough part because of us having to, I had to tap into another API, the Mapbox API. So we can see that here in the JavaScript we have some stuff here, leaflet, which is part of Mapbox, and then some CSS that was included with some of that stuff. So in that regard here, here's right here where it gets the it goes and gets your latitude and longitude using the geolocation for HTML5. This is all commented out because we're not using the actual OAuth authentication. We're just going to use the client ID client secret, which doesn't require the user to actually log in. So then it goes through and it puts all the pins on there, and away you go. So anyway, guys, that is Interest Point in a nutshell. Like I said, it's not fully done, but with probably 3 or 4 more days, I could probably get it done. But anyway, I hope you enjoyed this. I hope it helped you out. Again, this is Josh Klug, mobile device deployment 1308. Yeah, have a good one. Thanks.